Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix active friends not showing on Instagram. So for this, if I go for my messenger and you can see I can't see any active friends here. For this, go for your profile, click on three line option, go for settings and privacy, scroll down here, go for messages and stories, show active status. So you have to turn on to see your active friends. You have to turn on your activity status. So go back, clear your all data, and Instagram. I go for message option here and refresh it, and you can see I can see the active friends of mine here. So this is how you can see active friends on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.